So guys, have you already updated the latest version of WhatsApp? So if you have updated, you might be knowing that there are some really great functions that WhatsApp has added to its application only for iOS. So if you don't know, this is the entire video in which I will be guiding you with all those amazing features added by WhatsApp on iPhone. So without wasting a minute of time, let's get right into this video. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, if you don't know, then let me inform you that WhatsApp has finally added three major functions to iOS application. These three functions are that you can now type bold letters, you can type italic, and you can also type a strike-through line between the text you send through WhatsApp via iPhone. So you might be not getting an idea about what I'm telling you right now, but let me demonstrate you the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You just need to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application, and here I am with the particular contact. So whomsoever you want to send the particular message, like in such a method, you want to send it to bold, italic, or a strike through line, just go ahead and open their contact and do follow the following steps. Okay, so guys, we first of all start with bold letters. So how to just go ahead and type bold is something like this. What you need to use for typing bold is some asterisk signs. So you don't know what's asterisk, this is what we call as asterisk. Okay, so this one over here, well, from the main keyboard, just go ahead and tap on 1 2 3, then further icons, and here you get asterisk. Okay, so once you type single asterisk over here, type the message that can be hola, I'm really sorry, and exclamation mark, and again you need to type the asterisk mark. Okay, so guys, I can just simplify this by saying that you can type your message within two asterisk signs. So that's quite easy, right? Type a asterisk, your message, and then again an asterisk sign. Just go ahead and send that, and you see, guys, that's bold. You see that, guys? That's bold text, right? Again, so I hope you understood that. Asterisk, your message, and again an asterisk sign. Okay, so guys, now let's go ahead with typing italics. So how to type italic? It's really easy. So for bold, we used asterisk signs. The message was between two asterisk signs. Now in order to type italic, what you need to do is make sure that your message is between two underscore. You don't know what's underscore, it's right over here, underscore. Let's type hey, and again underscore to send it, and it is italics. You see that, guys? That's so damn easy. I guess that's really easy to understand. For bold, we have two asterisk signs, the message between two asterisk signs. For italic, we have the message between two underscores. And now moving ahead to the third option, the third best feature, that's writing a message through a strike line. Okay, so let's get started with that. So guys, in order to go ahead and type a message with a strike line, what you need to do is use two tiddles, or you call them tilts, whatever it is called. Get it over here, and let's type hey, again tiddle to send that, and you get a strike line over there. Did you see that, guys? That's so damn easy. Let me show you a close-up. Okay, so guys, I guess you can clearly view this. That's the first hola is in bold, U in italic, and a strike line through in hey. So that's really damn easy. Again, for a quick review, to type bold, you need to use asterisk signs. The message should be between two asterisk signs. To type italic, the message should be between two underscores, and to type a strike through line, the message should be between two tiddles. That's about it. Okay, so guys, now we come to the end of this video. I guess it was a really helpful video. Thank you so much for watching.